Hi guys, right now we are on the train to JB. So our train is 9:45. We started queuing at 9 o'clock and the custom clearance is super fast. So like we cleared both customs Singapore and Malaysia in like less than 30 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're on the way to JB. So what are you ordering?
I'm here for the laksa prawn. This looks so good. There's a star here. But of course, I think looking at the menu, the prices are slightly more expensive. I think the menu is on the pricier side lah. But looks good. How about you?
You see over here actually there's this authentic fish and chip. I wonder how authentic it is. I'm not trying that. So I'm gonna try the Jiran Café and with cured salmon. As per what I always eat for breakfast. Oh wait, there's a... Okay, I'm gonna eat this. So I ordered an iced Vienna coffee along with my meal and it tastes really good. It costs 20 ringgit. For the avocado on toast, it costs 38.90 ringgit. The laksa also costs 38.90 and it comes with 2 prawns and many clams.
Oh, but it's not bad. It's like those creamy laksa, you know. So it's not the... It tastes a bit from those normal soupy laksa. This is creamy.
So what do you recommend?
Wait, the chili is not bad also. Yeah, I like it.
Avocado looks creamy. Actually very nice. The avocado is creamy. There's tomato inside, and the bread is actually very crispy. Now for the egg. No spoon. Oh, look at the egg. I would say that definitely worth a try. It looks good. It tastes good.
Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And let us know in the comments below if there are any other cafes in JB that you would like to recommend. Bye!